What's good, Black Star Podcast? Welcome back to the Black Star channel. This is your boy Jarrett, and welcome to the Patreon. Today we're gonna be doing a review on Kendra G show, and I want you guys to check out this shit. Now look at this. She wants a stepdad for her kids. Wants a man of faith that's ready to be married. Oh my god.
All right, here we go. Hello?
Hi.
Oh, you look ready. I like this good light. This is what I'm talking about.
No, she not looking like Stephen A. Smith in a fucking wig.
Wait, why are you moving? It seemed like you were good. We were spotting and everything. All right.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Bring the phone up a little bit. What's your name, baby?
I'm Ivia.
Bring the phone up a little bit. Ivia. Where you calling me from?
I'm in North Carolina.
Okay, don't forget to bring the phone up a little bit.
Yeah, I'll back up a little bit. Okay.
All right. Ivia, North Carolina. How old are you?
I'm 33.
33. What do you do for a living?
I am a cosmetology educator at Empire.
AKA, she broke, ain't got a real fucking job.
A cosmetologist at Empire?
Yes, ma'am.
What's Empire?
A teacher at school.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not from North Carolina. So Empire is a school?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Beauty school.
So you're a cosmetologist. What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Gemini.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, ma'am. I got 2 kids, 11 and 8.
Okay, both by the same man?
Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm.
Have you ever been married?
No, ma'am.
No.
Mm-hmm.
So we got Ivia, North Carolina, 33, Gemini, cosmetologist, mom of 2 kids by the same man, never married. What kind of man you looking for, girl?
I'm looking for a man of faith, I can say. I know that's kind of weird on, but it's hard to find them. I've been going through a lot with, liars and cheaters, like the other girls have said. So I want somebody honest. I need somebody that loves the Lord and that is ready to get married and not.
Well, have faith in yourself. Going back to your baby daddy getting married to him. Sorry, humbly rejected. See, here's the problem. You saying you having problems like all the other girls, yet y'all choose the same men and have the same issues. So, least common denominator, yo dumbass.
Just play with people's, emotions and stuff. I need a stepdaddy for my kids, I guess.
Well, you gonna keep needing one because ain't nobody coming to save you. Well, matter of fact, Pookie and Ray Ray come save you. Most modern day men ain't coming to save you. You on your own. Sorry.
What do you want to say? So
She put it out there. She need a stepdaddy. Could he have kids already?
Yes, he can. That's what I would love him to have his kids already, because I don't want to have no more kids.
Okay. Should he?
So basically, you're a cosmetologist at Empire, and I know exactly. You're probably in Charlotte, so you're at Empire and you're a cosmetologist, and you're looking for. You said yourself you're looking for a stepdaddy. So that means you just need a man just to come in with his money and take care of your bills. So it's not because you want him. It's not because you want somebody to help raise your kids and be a leader in the household. You just need a man because of his money. So, ma'am, that is a raw deal. That is the shit end of the stick, ma'am. Why would a man come in and choose that when he got somebody that's probably younger, have no kids? I swear, y'all think I got the golden coochie.
What are your deal breakers?
So deal breakers are, I could say, smokers and alcoholics. So that's really the only thing. And I guess like still dealing with their baby mamas and stuff. Like, just I need to know that she's good. You're not, trying to go back and circle back and all that.
Okay.
The thing that we got to worry about somebody circling back is you. I'm not gonna say it.
Should she? Excuse me. Should he look a certain way?
So he has to be as attractive to me, like as me. Like, I don't want him to be like too bad. Like he can't be like just unattractive. He has to be attractive. So
Gotta be.
So basically, he's got to be a pretty boy. So you're looking for a pretty boy that's a hard worker that's gonna take you serious. Keep keep dreaming, ma'am. You might get one, and that's a might.
Attracted to her. What about money? Should you make a certain amount of money?
he has to make a little bit more than me. So now I'm doing like he has to make at least 50.
Okay, make more than 50. 50 or more.
So that means that she's making around 35, if that. 2 kids making 35,000 a year. Wow, you are struggling, ma'am. I could tell because you got them dollar store eyelashes.
All right, Avia, let's do the Kendra Cam.
Okay. My room is like
And you got the Goodwill special. You got the Goodwill. You got the Goodwill special drawers. I can't tell you how many times I've went in Goodwill and I've seen those stores. And you missing some damn handles. You're missing some handles.
okay.
Okay. Okay. I see you, girl.
You see me?
We can see you. You got a buy.
I don't. She got nails. She got nails and a wig on, but she ain't got no damn no drawer handles. I'm an asshole. Lord help her. Lord Jesus help her.
Body on you.
Yes, I'm 6 foot tall.
You're 6.
Bitch, if you you 6 feet.
Foot.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot.
Did you say the guy had to be a certain height?
I didn't even say that, but yeah, he can't. If he would, I would love for him to be, 6 foot.
At least 6 foot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we can see you.
Okay, good.
Idea. When was your last relationship?
With their dad, my kid's dad, probably like, 11 years or 8 years ago when I had my daughter.
Okay. Bring the camera up so your face isn't cut off.
Okay.
All right. You know what? Excuse me. I was about to. There it goes. You don't have to answer, but I'm gonna ask. When's the last time you was intimate with someone?
Probably like a couple months ago with
Okay.
dad.
Okay. It was bad.
No, I'm just saying like the manipulating toxic Negro that I don't need to mess with no more.
Oh wow.
But yeah.
Okay.
So 8 years later, after having your daughter, you still having the same trouble that you had with your baby daddy. So that tells me that you can't choose worth a shit. And if you get somebody that's actually willing to damn deal with the shit, and that's a major if, you get that man, you still gonna be stuck on stupid, and you ain't gonna know what the fuck it is. You gonna still be expecting him to damn do all sorts of shit, go out here and cheat, run around with all the different hoes and shit, and then you gonna be over here like, he's not doing it for me anymore. I'm gonna go back to the bad boys. We all know that shit happens.
Okay. 3 flaws you have to work on.
So let's.
Let me just interject my 3 flaws that she has. She is she doesn't have good morals or morality. She continues to make very stupid decisions in her life, and she just said that. 3, you need to get your priorities straight. Because if you are a cosmetologist at 33 years old and you're barely making enough to them afford you an actual comfortable living, you might want to pick a different career path.
See, my procrastination. That's it. I could say maybe time management, like a little bit. Just be on time. Need to be on time a little. And just being naive. to people, like, just not being as naive.
Okay. And why would a guy be lucky to be with you, boo?
Oh, because I'm a beautiful spirit. I'm a good person.
Did she just say she a beautiful spirit? Yeah, ma'am. I think you might need to not ever say that shit in your life again.
A great big heart. I definitely am ready to settle down, and just I'm a good faith great Christian girl. I just need
Did she just say she a great Christian girl? Ma'am, you just proved that you wasn't as big of a Christian as you say you were. 2 kids by one guy that didn't marry your ass, and you still making the same stupid dumbass decisions that you're making on here. So that means that you're A, stupid, or B, stupid. Which one? I don't know. But A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Meaning you are dumb in every aspect of your life, and you're over here trying to change at 33 years old, and you still don't even have a grasp of what you need in your life. Boy. And you know how I can tell? Um, the reason why I can tell is because look at your life choices.
a real man of God. So
He's a real man of God.
A real man of God is gonna tell you to take your ass back to your baby daddy.
All right, let's do it. We got Ivia, North Carolina, 33 years old, Gemini, cosmetologist, works for Empire. I just learned people are saying, "Can't you know Empire?" I don't know why I think I should know every single thing in the world. I live all the way in California. I never heard of Empire, but shout out to the people who knew what Empire was.
it's
Oh, what's the age range you would say? You're 33.
so yeah, so 33. I'm trying to think. Should I go up to 35? I can say 35 to 45.
Okay. And do you want more kids?
No more kids.
Could he can have kids?
Yes, please have kids. So
Should
you
he be
want
in
to
North Carolina?
he needs to be on the East Coast.
He should be on the East Coast. Okay. And are you on the Kendra Singles dating app?
Yeah, this woman's gonna stay single. I'm sorry to tell you that, ladies. I'm sorry to tell you this. This woman is gonna be single. Cause you can't tell me that you continuously make stupid ass decisions and then now you want to look for a step pappy. She said it, I didn't. She looking for a step pappy. She looking for a step crash test dummy. And I hope them kids that she got, I hope they learn from her mistakes because oh my lord. The mistakes that she about to teach them kids is gonna be a harsh one. Anyways, like, share, subscribe to the channel, support the podcast at Spotlight.com. If you guys want to support me on Patreon, please subscribe to Black Star Podcast on Patreon, and I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys.